Hello. Welcome to our factory, where we specialize in crafting high-quality wooden rocking stands for Moses baskets. With years of experience, we focus on creating sturdy, safe, and beautiful products for your nursery. We use premium, eco-friendly wood to make sure our products are both safe for babies and good for the environment. Each rocking stand is carefully made by skilled artisans, with a smooth, soothing motion to comfort your baby. Our factory ensures top quality with strict quality control at every step, so you can trust that our rocking stands are durable and long-lasting. We're dedicated to delivering safe, beautiful, and affordable products on time. If you're looking for a reliable supplier, we're here to help.